For over 60 years, Brock Grain Systems has delivered reliable, quality grain storage systems that are Brock solid. Brock's industry-leading grain systems are designed to perform together with unmistakable quality to match your needs for on-farm and commercial grain storage season after season. Brock's focus and commitment to technological advances and expansion has made the Brock brand the leader for grain storage solutions. Maintaining our industry leadership is what drives Brock to provide the most innovative, proven, and fast field assembly products available. Introducing the new Brock 3500 Series Commercial Sweep. This new sweep is designed and manufactured for commercial operations and is built to high Brock solid standards for quality and performance. The 3500 Series Sweep offers a positive Sprocket rail track drive for no-slip operation, delivering more pushing torque. A rugged drive system featuring auto drive ability that can handle grain avalanches without the need to reverse. Faster field assembly with fewer parts and fasteners means time, labor, and money savings for you and your customers. The 3500 Series Sweep is a high-capacity sweep with a 12-inch sweep unloading 4,000 to 6,000 bushels per hour and 16-inch sweep unloading 8,000 to 10,000 bushels per hour. The Brock 3500 Series No Shoveling Sweep can handle grain avalanches and push through compacted grain without damage or slowing down. The sweep and its track drive with auto drive capability is powerful enough to start under load and smart enough to continue unloading with zero bin entry even when buried in typical avalanche conditions. The 3500 Series Sweep has many of the same rugged design features of Brock's proven Maverick 4000 Series Commercial Duty Sweep. In fact, the 3500 Series Sweep is built in the same Brock Sheffield plant to the same high standards. Brock's commitment to delivering solid, high-performance bin sweeps is clear. By leveraging the brain power and manufacturing muscle of Brock, you now have a commercial sweep that is Brock solid. Know that Brock and your Brock dealer stand with you to deliver, support, and service the complete line of Brock products and the new Brock 3500 Series Commercial Sweep.